was waking up at 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. Yeah, lots of thoughts, and there is lots of paperwork to do. I don't want to go deeper into that subject because it's kind of painful. I have to be separated from my family. Yeah, it's quite tough. I miss them so much. Not all kind of travel so exciting, but let's make a balance. And I want to show you a good coffee places. You're going to see some cozy cafes where you can order any kind of coffee. Like there is 20 different coffees that you can drink here. A filtered coffee, mocha, a flat white, a matcha, with some syrups, without syrups, I don't know, like plenty of stuff. I like places that are cozy, and of course everywhere here in Belgrade you can find internet, so that's not an issue. Let's go now. Saborna church here, and there is our fortress. These are river cruises. This is mostly where you want to go for a peace and a walk, and across there is lots of new buildings. So just when you pass the bridge, you go left and up the stairs, you will find Kosancicev Venca. I find this is a really nice hidden spot, and it's kind of charming in the city center, but it looks quite old. There's a gallery here. You see, I don't know when they make this, but this is new. Royal Art Residence, and it's new. This is the University of Applied Arts. You remember I mentioned Saborna Church? So this is the one. So this is Kafana ? Food and drinks that involves Serbian culture. However, there is a new one here of Felicita. This is Radluk, or Turkish Delight coffee. Okay, we finished our coffee, but now I'm gonna take you to try some tea. Found one spot which is also in the city center, but sometimes I just change my mind, which happens quite often. So as you see on my right side, there is Grečanička. And then on the left side, you can find plenty of cafes and restaurants. Okay, you remember I mentioned Kafeterija, which are 3 floors. And on the 3rd floor, you can find whole area is for kids and for playing. You see, it's an Irish pub, and lots of cafes on the left and the top side. You see that, actually that could be an interesting spot. I've already been there. So on the top of the shopping center, you can have a drink or coffee and have a beautiful view. I also posted in one of my previous videos. Okay, now we are in Dorcho, and that's full of cafes and restaurants. Oh, I think I saw one cute cafe, quite hidden. I came to the cafe, which is more like a restaurant style of cafe and bar. As you see, I choose, instead of tea, this is made from beetroots, carrots, apple, and ginger. If you go a little bit further down on the right side, have the whole area with a little stage, so obviously something happening in the evening. If you ask me, the best is to sit outside, though for me it's suitable now to sit here. And there is few more spots that you need to see. Okay? Stay with me. Yeah, who knows? At least I slept last night. Okay, this is a legendary spot. I think it's here since I was at high school. We call it Pinokio. And you will see what we're gonna buy. Actually, we didn't plan to. The only thing is they don't take cards, so you need a cash. This Pinokio, as you see at the back, this is my sister. This is cut. Look how big it is. Look. So I think they're open more than 20 years. I remember that was in my high school, and we ate here like approximately 15 years ago. So it's good to refresh our memory. If you like those cafes, you'll love what's next. So stay tuned.